Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is about a lazy but quick banana cake, and it is named so as you can make it when you are actually feeling lazy. You just have to add all the ingredients in a mixie and your batter is done, and you can see how spongy it's turned out to be. So without further ado, let's begin. But before that, welcome to Lair Homemade, where you'll learn more about cooking, baking, miniature art, gardening and many more artistic things. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe for more updates. For this we'll require 1 1/4 cup of maida, half a cup of butter, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now first let's grease our tin. You can measure the butter paper in this manner. Here I have used a square tin. You can use any other metal tin which is available with you. And we'll grease the tin with some butter. I'm using a brush over here. If you don't have it, you can also grease it with your fingers. After this, we'll add the butter paper and again add a little butter. Now the tin size is also very important. Do not take a very big tin, otherwise your cake will not get a good height. The tin size which I am using is 6 by 6 inches. You can use any circular tin which has a similar diameter of 5 to 6 inches. Simultaneously, we'll keep our oven to preheat on 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now for the batter, we'll be taking our overripe bananas into a mixie. We'll just break them into pieces like this. To this we'll add our butter which is at room temperature and our powdered sugar and give it a good mix on a pulse mode. I'll be showing you what is a pulse mode in the later part of this video. Now once the banana, sugar and butter is mixed well, we are going to add our eggs into this. Now, even though we are making the batter in one mixie jar, the sequence in which we are adding the ingredients is very important. You will notice we have added the wet ingredients in the beginning and slowly we are going to add the dry ingredients one by one. Our eggs have blended well. Now we'll add the cinnamon powder, then the baking powder, then our baking soda, then we add our vanilla essence. This is optional. To this we are gonna add 1/3 of our flour. We have not sifted this flour. Like I said earlier, this is a lazy cake. Now once we have added our flour, we are going to mix this on pulse mode only 3 times, not much. And after every mix, we'll be cleaning the sides of a mixie jar with the spatula or a spoon. This is to ensure our earlier ingredients are mixed well into the batter. So here we have added the second portion. And then the third portion. And again, we are going to mix it on a pulse mode. And this is how it looks. Now we will mix it one last time after cleaning the sides of the mixie, so that in case any baking powder or baking soda is left, it will mix well with the batter. For those who don't know what is a pulse mode, this is how you should turn your mixie button very lightly. Our batter is done, and as you saw, this was just made in one mixie jar without any hassle. It has a ribbon drop consistency. If you follow the recipe well and use the proportions correctly, you will get the same consistency. Now we'll level our batter with the help of a spatula or a spoon. This is to avoid a dome shape after baking. After we are done with the spreading of the batter, we are going to add some choco chips. This is just for decoration purpose. It's completely optional. You can skip this part. You can also mix the choco chips into the batter. Other option is you can use some walnuts to decorate on the top. They also go well with banana cake. Now we are going to tap our tin for 2 to 3 times just to remove any excess air bubbles which are trapped inside the batter. And we'll be putting it in the oven on bake mode for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. This is how the bake mode looks. Our banana cake is out of the oven and it smells heavenly. Now we are going to check it with a skewer. And if it comes out clean like this, that means your cake is done. We'll remove the excess butter paper from the back of the cake. Our banana cake is done. I'll cut a piece and show you how spongy it is. Let's carefully cut it and look here how spongy it has turned out. So now you too can make a banana choco chip cake in this super easy, super quick method. Also do visit my page Lay Homemade for more such videos. I make different videos every week. If you do like my recipes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for more updates. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, happy baking!